today's video, I will be cooking chicken and shrimp Alfredo with broccoli. We could say Cajun chicken and shrimp with broccoli Alfredo, whatever it is. But in here, I'm just going to show you all the ingredients that I'm going to be using. I actually used 2 bags of broccoli. This is all the seasoning we use on the chicken and the shrimps. I would be cutting chicken in like small pieces because I didn't want my chicken to be too big or too small. So here I'm just cutting out the fat pieces, and that's it. I didn't have a big bowl to put my chicken in and season it, so I'm just using my pots. Don't judge me. To me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you. That's truly, I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is more than a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. I didn't have butter, so I used like what, vegetable oil. But it's
not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. I'm chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you.
Had to give you a close up of the chicken. Now it was, just look at it. Now for trying to find a piece that I could take to taste it. I was trying to get that one too big. I got a small one. When I said it was good, it was very good. I thought it would be too salty, but it wasn't at all.
I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you. Not trying not to show how I feel about you. You wish away.
the same pan I was using with my shrimp. It just looks so good. Like, it looks seasoning. It looks done. It just, I don't know. I just can't get it out. Now off camera, I boil my broccoli and my pasta. As you can see here, I'm pouring my pasta with the broccoli. I'm just gonna stir it up a little bit. Same pan I used for my chicken and shrimp, I pour 1 can Alfredo sauce with it, and I'm gonna stir it up.
Then dip me underway. You can fill my mouth with flow. Hold me till I scream or breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Okay, I pour the Alfredo inside the pot. I'm going to stir it up a little bit. And now I'm going to put my broccoli and chicken with it.
And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins
To me, it wasn't no sauce. So I used the other can. To be honest, I'm not really a Alfredo person. I'm not really a fan of it, but it was so delicious. Like, it was very good. It was a little spicy. I like spicy food. I love spicy food.